In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide followers on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, open facebook.com in your browser. From there, switch over to your Facebook business page, so you are working from the correct page and not your personal profile. After you have switched to the business page, look to the left-hand side of the screen. In the left menu, click on your Facebook business page to open it fully. This will take you to the main view of the page where you can access its settings and visibility options. Next, go to the left navigation menu and click Settings. This will open the settings area for your Facebook business page, where Facebook keeps controls for visibility, audience, and privacy-related options. On the settings page, look for the section called Audience and Visibility. This section contains the controls that affect what other people can see when they visit your page or view your account activity. Within that section, click Followers and Public Content. This area includes the settings related to follower visibility and the public information connected to your account and page activity. Once you are in Followers and Public Content, find the option that says Who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. This is the specific setting you need to change if you want to hide followers or limit who can see the list of people, pages, and lists connected to your following activity. Next to that option, you will see the Current Audience setting. Click on that setting to open the audience choices. Facebook will show you a list of visibility options that determine who can view this information. From the list, select Only Me. Choosing Only Me makes this information private, so other people will not be able to see the people, pages, and lists you follow. After selecting it, take a moment to confirm that the setting now shows Only Me. This lets you know the change has been applied successfully and your followers' related visibility has been updated. Once you have verified the setting, you are done. Your follower privacy setting has now been adjusted on your Facebook business page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.